Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. We got another bad watch face for you all to check out. That's free for the taking, of course, people, in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download ASAP because this can change at any given time. All right, with that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, the name of this watch face is called Double D4, or you can call it DD4 Techno. This is a 24-hour watch face, not a 12-hour watch face, but it is still not a bad look. If you're gonna play this super casual, dressed down, you're just gonna be hanging out around the house, in the neighborhood, this one would be a nice timepiece to have on your wrist. Not a bad thing at all, right? So with that being said, let's take a closer look at this. In the AOD mode, I really like this look. I wish this look was able to be customized within the watch face when it's on, but listen, it is what it is. When the watch face is on, you got a very unique, fun look. You got fun analog hands. You got a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch down at the bottom. Your big bold digital time is going to be dead center. You're going to get things like your date information, day of the week, date, month. Also your battery info, floors, climb, and of course it's geared toward fitness, so you will get your step information, heart rate, miles walked or ran. Everything you need for fitness is in this watch face. Now, with that being said, let's check out the features. So I can tap on, of course, my battery info, get my battery. If I need my calendar, I just tap on the date. If I need to go into my step status info, I could tap here. It's kind of temperamental. And if I hit the back button, it'll bring me to go into all my step status right here, which is pretty cool. My heart rate information. I can also go into my step status over here. And so this is not a bad look. I thought the developer did a really good job with this one, but this is where the watch face really shines at, right? So this is an animated watch face, believe it or not. So if I double tap, I can change the animation theme of this watch face, and you got like 5 to choose from and all. This is beautiful. The developer, he outdid himself with this one. Now, this is my favorite look right here, but all in all, I do love this watch face. I'd be glad when he comes with a 12-hour watch face because that's more so my speed. But all in all, this is still a good look for a super dressed down casual wear over the weekday and or over the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.